Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings, then go straight to network and internet or connections depending on your Android skin. Tap mobile network or mobile data to reach the controls you need. This is where Android keeps the toggle and carrier options. Make sure you know whether your device uses dual SIM or has a data saver active, because those affect where the switch appears. Once here, you're ready to change the actual mobile data state. Now turn off mobile data by tapping the clearly labeled toggle. This immediately stops cellular internet usage and prevents apps from using data. If you have two SIMs, choose the active SIM from the list and switch off its mobile data instead, because each SIM has its own control. Also check data roaming and background data settings and disable them if you want to avoid unwanted charges. Once done, wait a moment for the system to apply the change and confirm connectivity icon's update. Finally, verify that the mobile data icon vanishes from the status bar and that apps no longer load without Wi-Fi. If your device still appears online, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off, which resets radios and often clears stubborn connections. If problems persist, restart the phone. If that fails, check for carrier profile locks or contact your carrier. This step ensures you understand both the how and why of the shutdown and gives a single troubleshooting tip to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.